Compact design, big capabilities. Put flexibility to work with Brady's M611 label printer. Seamlessly print from your phone, PC, or both on countless label options to get the job done right. The M611 is always connected, from symbols to sequencing, designed right on your mobile device with our powerful app. Easily connect to your cloud storage and print premium labels with incredible speed. Collaborate with coworkers and pull label files and up-to-date lists from your email, or plug in to unlock more possibilities with Brady's label creation software. The M611 is ready for how you work. Create labels from anywhere. Print thousands on a single charge of the lithium-ion battery, protected by military-grade shock resistance. Store labels on board and print from the touchscreen, or design labels and save them for later, then print on demand. The M611 is built for a team. Create label templates to standardize a project and simplify your team's workflow. Connect multiple users to the same printer at the same time. Get the freedom to work the way you need to with the M611. To learn more, visit us today